Hey, what do you say? John McClain here, and on this episode of Prize Gun Review, that's not really a prize and it's not really a gun, so in reality it's just kind of a review. But I have from Sylvan Arms Folding Stock Adapter. So I have one that says it's a Folding Stock Adapter Pro. Another one is a Folding Stock Adapter Gen 4. Now, looking on their website, it looks like these retail for around $199. Basically, they sent me two so that I have one that folds to the left and one that folds to the right. And I just happen to have a couple of rifles that I kind of want to put these on. So, we're going to talk a little bit more about these, but I say let's just go ahead and get down to the garage. Let's throw these bad boys on. Let's get to it. All right, so I'm gonna put these folding stock adapters on my rifles that I kind of have set up more for in the vehicle or in the house. So it's this is in particular Armalite model AR-15 that I won from 3 Gun Nation years ago, and it's got the 14.5-inch barrel with the pin and welded comp, so it's not an SBR or anything like that, but it's as short as you can physically get it without it becoming one. And I think that having one of those stock adapters on here would be pretty awesome. And then the other one that I got here is a Palmetto State Armory 9mm carbine, pistol, okay, but either way, again, small, compact size, and I think it'd be good to have the ability to make it even smaller for things like car rides and whatnot. So I can't show you the process of swapping them out, you know, because rules from stupid websites. But what I can show you is the unpackaging of these products. So, misfired that one. Off the mic. Okay. So, this is for the Gen 4 one, the Gen 4 version. You've got, looks like a little wrench along with 2 Allen keys, and then you have 2 set screws. One is for the inside of the stock, and the other one covers the one that's inside of the stock adapter. Then of course you've got the stock adapter, and this one, I think if I correct, you push the button and voila, it opens up, and then you snap it shut and it closes and all that fun stuff, right? So, I mean, I guess the lighting kind of sucks in here, doesn't it? But so this particular one opens to the left. You'll note that it does say do not fire while open, and I believe that's because the extension piece and all that kind of stuff can go launching at your face if you decided to do that, because it's not meant to be shot with the stock in the folded position. That's not how the rifles work and all that kind of stuff. But still, to give you the option of making it a more compact package, and then in the event you need it, all you have to do is swipe that stock open, and now you've got your rifle up and running. So this one is going to go on one of them, obviously, and the other one, let's see if there's anything different that I seem to notice from these two. Looking at them from the back, doesn't seem to be any difference from the front, from the sides. So what I assume this is then is literally the same product minus the part where you can choose. Do you want your stock to swipe to the right or to the left? I guess swing. Swiping's for Tinder, right? So swing to the right, swing to the left, and the same package again. You've got the wrench, the set screws, and the Allen keys, along with the extension for the buffer tube. So with that being said, and the magical power of editing, wham! a favor and we'll put the baby's milk in the fridge? I can tell you that there's a toy snake in there to scare the bejesus out of you. Okay. Look, I'm gonna make this short and sweet because it's gonna be easy to talk about this product and what I think about it. And keep this in mind. I'm not a tactical dude, okay? I got no tactical training. I wasn't law enforcement or military or anything like that. So my opinion about this product is solely from a civilian customer's perspective, and all I can say is the Sylvan Arms Folding Stock Adapter is pretty freaking cool, okay? It's a great way to be able to make your rifle a little bit more compact if you want to be able to throw it in the car, throw it in the bag or something like that. It's quick and easy to deploy. You just fold it out. It was easy to install. It didn't affect the rifle at all. Like, I didn't have to mess with the gas settings or change it. Just, I put it on, installed it, went out to the range, and it worked. Okay, so whether or not it was for my AR or my 9mm pistol, they're just a lot of fun. Okay, so if I had to pick between the left folding and right folding, I'll say my personal preference is to go with the left folding, just because I like having my dominant hand on my grip so that I can flip it out and then use it. What I found with my AR, which has the right folding stock, was, I had to take this hand off to grab the rifle stock and pull it open. Otherwise, I had to kind of reach over and flip it, and it was just a lot of excess movement that I would prefer not to have to do. So for me personally, I would go with the left folding stock if you're a right-handed shooter. Lefties, obviously, you go with the right hand or the right side folding. But man, they're awesome. They're built to quality. You get 2 QD mounts on there, so you can attach slings very easily to them. You can fire around with it folded if you choose to do so. It doesn't open up because of the way the system locks in, but obviously you shouldn't do that because you're just causing more problems for yourself. But and they even say do not fire while open, so try and follow their rules. But if you had to in an emergency, I'm talking emergency, like one shot is going to change it, then yeah, I would absolutely not be afraid to pull the trigger. But I can also say that doing this and then firing your shot, that should really be your first option to go to. Okay, so guys, check them out. Sylvan Arms, the folding stock adapter. This thing is freaking cool. With that being said, thanks for tuning in. I hope you found this review video entertaining and enjoyable and informative. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell notification thingy, and I'll catch you on the next episode. And thanks so much. See you later.